Imagine standing in the laundry aisle surrounded by countless detergent options. While these products promise sparkling clean clothes, there's a hidden side to them that might make you think twice. Many laundry detergents contain chemicals that can be harmful to both your health and the environment. From skin irritation to more severe health risks, the impact of these chemicals is not to be taken lightly. Moreover, when these substances wash down your drain, they enter ecosystems, posing potential threats to wildlife and water quality. It's essential to be aware of what's in your detergent to make safer choices for your family and the planet. Why laundry products are a problem. Laundry products often contain harmful chemicals that can pose significant health and environmental risks. Understanding the risk associated with these substances can help make informed decisions to protect your family and the planet. Who is most at risk? Laundry detergents can potentially harm anyone who comes into contact with washed garments or linens. However, certain groups are more vulnerable to their increased exposure or sensitivity to these chemicals. Children and the elderly. These individuals usually experience more severe immediate reactions from toxic laundry detergents. Their skin tends to be more reactive and their immune functions are generally lower, heightening their vulnerability to chemical exposure. People with sensitive skin. For those who have pre-existing skin conditions such as eczema or dermatitis, the harsh ingredients in many laundry products can exacerbate their symptoms significantly. Household pets. Often overlooked, pets regularly come into contact with freshly laundered items, including bedding and their owner's clothing. Pets also share the same living environments where airborne chemicals from laundry detergents can off-gas, exposing them to potential allergens and irritants. By recognizing the groups most at risk, you can take specific measures to minimize exposure and guard against the harmful effects of laundry detergents. Reducing use or switching to safer alternatives can be easy yet impactful way to improve health and well-being for all household members, including pets. Top toxins to avoid in laundry detergent. Understanding the chemicals in laundry detergents is crucial for protecting your health and the environment. Here, I'll break down the top toxins you should avoid. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate helps remove dirt due to its surfactant properties and creates foam in detergents. However, it poses health risk by potentially causing skin, eye, and lung irritation. Importantly, it can harm aquatic life. Despite being found even in eco-friendly products, sodium lauryl sulfate and its relative, sodium laureth sulfate, contain toxic contaminants you should avoid. Bleach. Common in households, bleach whitens clothes but introduces severe health risks. Acute exposure can lead to blindness, lung fluid, and respiratory failure due to its harsh chemical nature. Regular use has been linked to respiratory issues in children and releases harmful volatile organic compounds. 1,4-dioxane. Recognized by the EPA as a probable human carcinogen, 1,4-dioxane can affect the skin, lungs, kidneys, and liver. It's a byproduct of ethoxylation, thus not listed on labels but present in substances like sodium lauryl sulfate. Opt for USDA certified organic products which do not allow ethoxylation to avoid this chemical. Optical brighteners. Optical brighteners create an illusion of whiter clothes without removing stains by converting UV light. These substances cause skin irritation and can impact aquatic life persistently. Despite their prevalent use, they provide no actual cleansing benefit and can be detrimental to health. Ammonium sulfates and other surfactants. Ammonium lauryl sulfate and ammonium lauryl sulfate are synthetic surfactants derived from petroleum. These can cause eye and skin irritation and may contain carcinogen 1,4-dioxane. Avoid products containing these and related chemicals like polyethylene glycol, which pose similar health risks. Benzene. Common benzene derivatives in detergents include benzyl acetate and dichlorobenzene, both associated with skin and respiratory issues and aquatic toxicity. Benzene-based substances can cause serious health problems, and being petroleum derivatives are particularly risky for skin contact. Fragrance. Fragrance additives in detergents often lead to allergic reactions such as rashes and respiratory issues. They might include carcinogens and disrupt endocrine function. They're rarely disclosed on labels, so reading ingredients carefully is essential even if the product is marked as unscented. Formaldehyde. While formaldehyde is a known carcinogen and irritant, it's common in many laundry detergents. It can be hidden or released slowly through preservatives like quaternary compounds or found in fragrances. Always check for preservatives like Cortinium-15 and others that release formaldehyde. Nonal polyphenol exoxylates, or NPEs. NPEs disrupt hormonal function and degrade into more toxic NP, which accumulates in the environment and human tissues, including breast milk. Although their use is decreasing, they are still not banned and pose significant environmental and health risks. Quats. Quats are quaternary ammonium compounds are added for their disinfectant properties but are harmful. They can cause eye and skin irritation and contribute to allergies and respiratory issues. Their potential development impacts make them particularly hazardous around children. Artificial dyes. Synthetic dyes are added to some detergents purely for aesthetic reasons. Despite causing skin irritation and potential allergic reactions, they pose no cleaning benefits and might be linked to broader health issues, including behavioral changes and tumor growth, similar to concerns surrounding food dyes. By staying informed about these harmful chemicals, you can make safer choices for your laundry products, benefiting both your health and the environment. Choosing a better detergent, what to look for. Making the right choice in laundry detergents is crucial for both your health and the environment. Knowing what to look for can help you avoid the toxins mentioned earlier and find safer options. Plant-based. Selecting plant-based detergents helps you steer clear of petroleum-based chemicals and synthetic ingredients. However, the term plant-based isn't strictly defined, requiring you to scrutinize labels for truly natural ingredients. Be aware of plant-derived surfactants like sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate, which may appear in green detergents. For reliable information on ingredients, the Environmental Working Group database offers a comprehensive data. Zero fragrance or naturally scented. Opting for unscented laundry detergent is advisable if your skin is sensitive. Always check labels to ensure no hidden fragrance or perfume is included. For those preferring scents, select detergents with clearly listed natural scents derived from pure essential oils or plant extracts. Avoid vague descriptions like natural fragrance. Ensure the ingredients contribute to genuine natural scent. Safe for humans and the environment. Always prioritize products that are safe for both humans and the ecosystem. Check labels to avoid chemicals harmful to human health. Remember, the chemicals listed do not just affect you, but also wildlife when they enter waterways, post-use, and during production. Choose brands that minimize environmental impact, offer recyclable packaging, or participate in waste reduction initiatives. This approach not only protects your health, but also supports sustainable practices. The best plant-based laundry soap, truly free. Armed with knowledge about the harmful chemicals in many laundry detergents, you're now better equipped to make safer choices. Opting for plant-based laundry soaps can significantly reduce the exposure to toxins that endanger health and pollute the environment. When shopping for your next laundry detergent, look for options that are not only free from harsh chemicals, but also bear certifications for environmental friendliness. By choosing these products, you not only protect your family, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Remember, it's your responsibility to scrutinize what goes into your shopping cart and ultimately your washing machine. Make the switch to a greener, cleaner laundry routine today. Click the link in the first description for more information about Truly Free.